Good day everyone. This video will teach you how to use the having clause in SQL. Let's begin. So, what is SQL having? The having clause was added because we couldn't use the where clause with aggregate functions such as the mean, max, count, sum, and average. These are used for calculations. Here is the syntax of SQL having. Select column names from table name, where condition, group by column names, order by column names. Using the order by is optional only. Let's try it. Example, we're going to list the countries with more than 3 customers. Here's the query. Select count, open parenthesis, customer ID, close parenthesis, comma, space, country. From customers, group by country, having count, open parenthesis, customer ID, close parenthesis, space, the greater than symbol, space, number 3, and then the semicolon. Using the semicolon is optional only, and remember that the SQL is not case sensitive, so you can type it whether on the uppercase or lowercase. The customer ID has an open and close parenthesis because we will be counting the customers using this column. We will also use group by statement because we're going to group the countries. As you can see, I typed the greater than symbol because we're going to count countries with more than 3 customers. Now, let's run this query. Make sure that you already have a database when performing this statement. For this tutorial, we will be using the Northwind database as a sample. Always use the use statement first before performing any query, so that the application knows what database to use. After typing the query, click the Execute button located in the taskbar, or you can click the F5 button, the shortcut for execute. As you can see at the bottom of the page, the table was shown. This table has a total of 8 records. It shows the countries that has more than 3 customers. And that's how you use the SQL having statement. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something.